Hi guys, I'm Hasba with Double TI, and if you're wondering what lipstick shade I'm wearing right now, well, this is what I'm about to show you. This color is so beautiful, and it's the Color Riche Matte Aromat Icy Rose in the shade 720 from L'Oreal. And I'm obsessed with this lipstick because I take it anywhere with me in case I am going out to run errands or if I want to have a soft makeup look on and I don't want to have red lips one day. Well, I use this shade. It looks very natural. It's a very soft pink that goes with any look. And something that I really like about this product is also the packaging, not only the shade. It comes in this beautiful packaging. It's a matte black and then it has some gold detail where it says L'Oreal Paris. It's pretty compact. I would say it's a standard size for any other lipstick, but this one's unique and it's really creamy and it's not drying at all. If you're looking to find a lipstick shade that is matte and that smells really good, it smells like flowers. So you know some lipsticks don't have any scent, but this one does. It's a very soft scent, like baby powder and flowers at the same time. So that's something I really appreciate as well. If it's anywhere in your purse and backpack. But yeah, this is a great shade. Again, this is in the shade 720. It's a beautiful rose shade. I don't only use it for lipstick, but also for my cheeks. I think it looks really natural. Love this Color Riche Matte lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. And yeah, you should try it too. And that's my point of view.